Yo, what up, YouTube? So I'm doing something a little bit different today. So here's the deal. I've been doing a Pokemon Yellow Nuzlocke, like randomized. It's been a lot of fun. This is my new background for it. So this is something that I didn't know how to make. Like my first few videos on it, like look kind of cheap. I didn't like the way I did them, just because I didn't have a concept on how to do these backgrounds. And then like as time was going on, I just started thinking about like, okay, like what's the way I can do this? How like I looked up some videos, I couldn't find anything that like really was an easy way to get this done. So this is just like a quick little tutorial video on like a way for y'all to be able to like if you want to make your own channel and do this cuz like it doesn't hurt to have more content creators out there. And Pokemon's amazing and fun, so this would be great. Like this would be like a fun little project. So this is like a free way that I did it on mine. I use this site Canva for all of my thumbnails and stuff like that. It's real easy to like make stuff on here. So basically you just go to like create your design after you like make your account or whatever. I always go custom dimensions, 1920 by 1080p. And so whenever you go to create your design, you get this thing built up. And so y'all are about to see some of my like rough stuff that I've done on this too, so don't make too much fun of me. But I went ahead and I went to backgrounds, and I went over to, I'm doing Pokemon Yellow, so I wanted a yellow background, so I just went their basic yellow. From here, after I got the yellow on, I went to just the elements, and I would just use like all their free selection. Like they have stuff that you can pay for later down, but I never wanted to, like I wanted everything to do, like, I'm on a budget too. So I just took like a random square, like picture frame-esque almost, and put it, more or less where the play, like where I want like the actual gameplay to be. And then I sized it up a little bit. I don't remember what exact dimensions I did, but I think I sized it down just a tad. Then I added another one for the right side. This is going to be where I'm actually pictured. So where I put myself whenever we're doing the filming. So more or less, I think I did a little bit bigger. I think I did this a little bit wider. Right about there. And then I took these, went up here and changed the color, and I did it like as a black frame because the black's always going to stand out better on the yellow. So then we have like the two black frames where everything's going to be. I went and I found some Pokemon related stuff. Like this is the Nuzlocke. It was on like a free thing, copyright free thing on the internet. I went ahead and grabbed that, sized that down to more or less where I wanted it. Definitely need to make that smaller. About right there, that works. Then I took a Pokeball and I sized it down to about what the size of that Pokeball is. Okay, sized it right on top of that. I had to size it up a little bit to get it to fit where I wanted it. And then if you scan both of them, then you can resize everything at once. So then I took it down to where I needed it down here. Then I have, see here, I used this Pokemon thing for for the top part. Brought it down to a good size. Fit it right up above there in the corner, so that fit nice and perfect. Then I took this little Pikachu. And see, this is just all stuff that I done. You can do your own background with your own flair, the way you like to do stuff. But I just wanted the Pikachu sitting right in between the two boxes. I went back to the elements page, and then I went and took just like a regular square. Made it to about a rectangle. Sized it just a little bit. And this is where my Pokeballs are going to be going. So, and of course I went to black just because black stands out better. Then I took back to my upload page, and see, I just found a lot of these stuff on a lot of these on the internet. I have another basic Pokeball right here. Yeah, I took this one, sized it down to fit inside the square to where they would fit evenly. Yeah, and then I went over here and hit the duplicate button, and then did 6 of them. 3, 4, 5, 6. And then just positioned them along the black. So there we have like our 6 Pokemon, so that's where our Pokemon are going to sit. So it's like now it's really starting to come together. And one thing I added onto these was I went ahead and added like the different badges right to the middle. And like as the game goes on, I'm probably going to come back to this, and every time I get a new badge, just line them up right here. And so that way by the end I got all 8 badges, got all my Pokemon down here. Like I got my stream going. And then that way when I finish, I'll have like all the badges lined up nice and neat, just going down the bottom, going down the middle. Okay, and that's pretty much all it took. Like honestly, what would that take? 5 minutes, 10 minutes, just messing around with it. So, and then whenever, you go to your editing, you put your gameplay up here, and then you put your video right here, and then Let's go ahead and put on a clip from like my latest gameplay so y'all can see like the ending product and everything. Now we're about to do a training montage. Cue the Rocky music. But like as y'all saw, I put like a training montage in my last one. Like these videos are so much fun, guys. Like they're awesome to check out. If you have any other questions on like how I do my Nuzlocke, like the randomizer, you know, all that stuff, like I can do videos about those. Just like drop in the comments, you know, drop a like, show some love to those Pokemon videos. Like it's a lot of fun, guys. But with that being said, guys, this is Justice Keegan signing out.